Hello students of Standard 9. In geography, you are going to learn about pollution. Today I am going to explain chapter 17, Air and Water Pollution. This is part 1 in which you are going to learn about air pollution. What do you mean by air pollution? So there are lot of substances which are found in the air and they are harmful for the human body. Maybe they are very harmful for the all living beings and they are dangerous for all living beings and they are imbalancing the nature. So today you are going to learn about the sources of air pollution. What are the main sources? If you see, there are two types of sources, natural sources and man-made sources of air pollution. In natural sources, there is dust storm. Dust storm takes place in summer season anywhere when there is dusty stormy wind blows. Volcanic eruption which releases lot of poisonous gases and that is found in the air. Forest fire that also releases lot of carbon dioxide and other gases which are found in the air. And also the pollen grains and bacteria which are found in the air, that is natural, so they are coming from the natural sources and it is known as natural sources of air pollution. Second is the man-made sources of air pollution, which man makes or man is responsible for this type of pollution and that is air pollution. First, vehicular pollution. Every day millions of vehicles are running on the road everywhere and the number of vehicles are increasing day by day. Due to the vehicular pollution, because of the burning of fossil fuels, poisonous gases are released like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide. All these are poisonous gases increasing day by day and that is also depleting ozone layer and that is also harmful for the all living beings. Second is the industrial pollution. Everywhere all over the world there are many industries and from the industries various poisonous gases, toxic gases are being released. So those gases are very harmful for the environment as they are increasing pollution. They are health hazards. They are affecting the human body. Also they are affecting the plant life and animal life. So the industries like thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, they release too much toxic gases. So the chimneys of the industries, they are releasing lot of poisonous gases in the environment which is very dangerous for the living beings. Third is the burning garbage. From the kitchen, there are domestic garbage coming from the kitchen. Lot of wrappers of different grains, different things. Also, the the remains of the vegetables. Also, the outer bark of the vegetables, which are coming from the domestic areas. They are, when burnt, they release too much poisonous gases. Those gases are very dangerous and they are toxic gases increasing imbalance in nature. They are also affecting the ecosystem and therefore this air pollution is very harmful. If we see its effect, air pollution which is remaining in the atmosphere, it is very harmful for all living beings. These gases are also affecting ozone layer. Because of these gases, ozone layer is getting depleted. And therefore, when ozone layer is getting depleted, ultraviolet rays, which is the dangerous rays released by the sun, can directly reach to the surface of the earth. And due to that, skin cancer can be spread. That will affect the human body. So, ozone depletion also is due to the man-made sources of air pollution. Refrigerator releases chlorofluorocarbon. Also AC, which we use for our comfort, releases lot of chlorofluorocarbon, and that is the main cause of depletion of ozone layer. So, this air pollution, when it is increasing day by day, it is affecting the nature. Due to the pollution, you can see it is affecting the plant life. It is also affecting the animal life. Because of pollution, sometimes we can see some of the animals also losing their lives. People are affected badly. Human body is affected badly. And therefore, many people every day they are dying. Many diseases are attacking people due to the air pollution. Irritation. Also, varieties of diseases like asthma that causes due to the air pollution. Because of heart diseases, that is also being affected by the air pollution. Bronchitis, TB, that is also due to the air pollution. So like this pollution is increasing, many diseases and diseases are increasing day by day. So we should control this air pollution. We should reduce the air pollution. How? We can plant more and more trees. Why? Because plants absorb at least much pollutants they absorb and reduce the pollution which is found in the air. So, do you remember, air pollution is affecting the nature. If we don't care for the nature, nature will also affect all the living beings. So, do remember, we should reduce air pollution. Thank you.